guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so happy to be back on YouTube finally after a long break. So I used to make videos mostly on travel. I hope you watched my travel vlogs. However, because of COVID, we're not able to travel that much, not able to travel at all, I should say. So because I had so much time during lockdown, I started making makeup videos and I started making them on Instagram. But I thought, why not start making these videos for YouTube as well. So here I am, and I'm actually making this video on a very special occasion. It's our second wedding anniversary, and I actually wanted to do some videos on wedding makeup looks. So today I'll be creating this look, which is basically like a sagan or an engagement look. And I'm actually wearing my lehenga, my own lehenga, which I wore on my sagan, and it's a beautiful lehenga. I absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and so let's get straight into the video. So I have already moisturized my skin, and I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime to provide even more hydration to my skin before I start applying any kind of makeup. Next, I'm going to use a Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer and use it all over my face. It is very important to massage the primer well into your skin because it helps your makeup stay longer. After that, I'm using this color corrector palette from Nykaa, and I'm going to use the green color corrector here to cover my acne and acne marks. So only for my acne marks I'm going to use this color corrector, and for every other imperfection on my face I'm going to be using a concealer. So for the concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I'm taking some of this product on the back of my hand, and I'll be applying this with a damp beauty blender. For the foundation today, I'm using the MAC foundation in the shade NC25, and I'm going to mix it with the MAC Strobe Cream. I'm going to apply it all over my face and blend it with a damp beauty blender. Whenever you apply the foundation, don't forget your neck as well as your ears. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in a lighter shade under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose and my chin, as well as my forehead, just to brighten up these areas. Using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, I'm now going to set my base. And now I'm going to contour my face, and for contouring today I'm going to be using the Nykaa contour and highlight palette. I actually broke my palette so I won't be able to show it to you, however I'll leave the details in the description box below. Always remember that while contouring your cheekbone you should be blending upwards, and when you're contouring your jawline you're supposed to be blending downwards. For contouring my nose, I'm going to use this precise nose contour brush from Nykaa. Next, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution setting spray to set my makeup. Right after applying the setting spray, I'm going to be using the highlighter. This is going to help my highlighter pop even further. I'm going to apply the highlighter on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on the cupid's bow, the chin, and above my eyebrows. Next, using the Nykaa blush brush, I am using the MAC Beaming Blush. This is a very beautiful blush, it gives an amazing glow. Now before moving on to the eyes, I'm just going to brush my eyebrows and give them a proper shape. So my eyebrows are actually very thick and difficult to manage. So for my eyes today, I'm using this beautiful palette from Makeup Revolution. This is actually one of my anniversary gifts. So I'm going to be using two colors. One is this shimmer color and the other one is going to be this matte pink color. So first I'm going to take the shimmer color on my finger and use it all over my lid. After that, using my favorite blending brush, which is the PAC 260 blending brush, I'm taking the matte pink color and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. Now remember that blending is very important. I'm going to use the same matte pink color in my lower lash line as well. However, I'm not going to take it all the way to the inner corner because I'm going to use the shimmer color that we used on the lid in the inner corner as well. I'm using a tiny flat brush and applying the shimmer color to my inner corner. Using a small smudger brush, I am taking the dark grey color from the same palette, and I am going to use this only in the outer corner of my lower lash line. Using a flat eyeliner brush, I'll be taking the same dark grey color and apply it on my upper lash line. So I finished the look using my favorite Too Faced mascara, and I actually mixed two colors for my lip. One would be Squad from Nykaa and the other one was from Sugar, and this is their Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Preach Peach, which is number 44. So I also used compact around my mouth because I've started getting smile lines, and one trick to avoid smile lines is to basically use a lot of powder around your mouth and use less foundation. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun shooting this, and this is going to be my first YouTube video after such a long time. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time. And don't forget to share this video and comment down below and share your thoughts with me. Also leave down suggestions for future videos, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.